You can also rotate the video like this one. So the movement will be rotatory, like see. Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do keyframing in Filmora. This can be any version of Filmora. For that, you have to put any text on your first timeline. Now you have to select any object, like you can select any photo, or you can select any video, or you can even select any text for doing the keyframing. So I'm selecting a photo for keyframing and putting it to the second timeline. Now I'm going to move this logo by using the keyframing. I want this logo to pop up in this section and then it should go to this section. So how to make this? So for that, I'm double clicking this. I'm going to the animation options. Then I am going to the customize option. So this is the interface where you are gonna put the keyframings. Now let me make you clear about the basics of the keyframing. Now whenever you click add, there will appear a points here, and these points are actually the position. Like the first position of my object will be here. Okay, so the logo will start moving from here. Okay, so now in this section I'm going to put the second position. So in the second position the text will move here. Again I'm going to add the third position, clicking at in third position the logo will be like that. So at the last position the logo will be smaller and will go to the top right corner, and you can also move it if you want. So now let's see if it works. You can see that how easily it has been made. Isn't it so much cool? So now I'm going to make you clear again about some of the portion. Like you can also edit this after adding, like if I click this I can edit this position. If I click this point I can also edit this point. Now there is some another option here, like you can also use this scale option to increase or decrease the size of your object, or you can also adjust the opacity. Like if I decrease the opacity the video will look like that. You can see that the opacity has been decreased in the third point. You can also rotate the video like this one, so the movement will be rotatory, like see. In this way you can create any movement by using keyframing. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching the full video, and there will be so many more videos on Filmora topic. Don't miss any of them. See you in the next one.